Many of you have requested me to make a video on daily skincare, that is your CTM, but I would prefer CTMP. Let's learn it. C is, as you know, for cleaning. You can use cleanser or you can use face wash. I will make a different video on that, how to know what type of skin you have, so that you can choose your products accordingly. And always use a gentle cleanser or gentle face wash, so that it does not throws out the natural oil of your skin. That is very important. If you have a oily skin, do not choose any face wash or cleanser that dries out your face. We need to keep our skin normal, right? So next is toning. Tone actually maintains our pH balance on the skin. So it's in summer it's better to choose a toner, and if your skin is extremely dry, you can use a serum, and in winter days serum is better. Okay, so after cleaning, toning is done. Wait for few seconds, the toner gets absorbed on your skin, and over that use a moisturizer. Now here comes the thing, because in summer generally we do get a dehydrated skin. See, there are two basic difference. One is dehydration can make you feel a dry skin. Another is lack of oil can also give you the same feeling. If you have a dry skin, then go for a good moisturizer, normal moisturizer, okay? And then if you have a oily skin, you should go for gel based day cream. And above that comes the CTMP, protection. Without protection, your skin, whatever you do, it cannot give you 100% result. So above that you need protection, that is the sun protection factor, SPF. I have made so many videos on that, go and check that. And at night, this routine, and above your sunscreen, you can apply your daily makeup or whatever you want. And at night again comes the cleaning part, then toning. Then at night use night serum, whatever your aesthetician or beautician has given you, use that one. First serum, after cleaning, first serum, then use the night cream, whatever is suitable for you or whatever has been advised to you, use that one, and then go to sleep. This is a very general thing, but I think you must know it properly. So now it's not CTM, now it's CTMP: cleaning, toning, moisturizing and protecting. Okay, bye beautifuls.